Harrison, and today we're going to be making a very healthy chicken taco along with a very healthy as well strawberry, banana, and pineapple smoothie. So first we're going to be washing our hands to make sure everything is sanitary. Okay, so first we're going to wash our chicken. The chicken. We're going to wash this very thoroughly to also make sure that it's very sanitary. Alright, now that we have our chicken washed, we're going to put it in our pan. And now we're going to take the pan and get a sheet of food and get a piece of foil. We'll put this aside for now and but first, before we put a little water in our chicken, we're going to get the salt, our seasoning tools, the pepper and salt, sea salt, and so we're going to sea salt it up. And get a little pepper on here. So now that we have it seasoned, we're going to run a small amount of water on the chicken so that it stays moist. And to also help the chicken to stay moist, we're going to get a sheet of foil that we put aside and cover the chicken up. So that none of the moisture gets out of the chicken. Make sure that you wrap it around really tight. And with adult supervision, you're going to grab your mittens and put the chicken in the oven. Ta-da! And the temperature for the oven was already preset to 350 degrees, just to make sure that the chicken is tasty. So you're going to put your mitts aside, and as you can see, we have some cut up peppers that we are going to saute to make sure that to also make the chicken tacos tastier. So first we're going to get our peppers and put a little sea salt on them. Okay, now that we have this sea salt and pepper on them, we're going to take them and also with adult supervision, start the fire on a pan and on a skillet and set it to maybe about 3 or low. And you're going to wait till the pan gets hot. So now we're going to also put about a half cup of olive oil in the skillet. So make sure that you only put a little, because olive oil can also be fattening once heated. So this is about a half a cup, and we're going to gently place it around the skillet. So we're going to wait for that to heat up, and while that is heating up, we're going to we're going to put the peppers in the pan or skillet. Gently push these in. So now we're going to turn my fire up. Our fire up's a little till 5 or medium, and we're going to